Smol Developer is an AI-based junior developer prototype that can create a codebase based on a product specification. It is flexible and allows developers to create their own scaffolding prompts based on iterative feedback. Smol Developer is focused on human-centric and coherent whole program synthesis. ast-grep, SG, is a tool designed for code searching, linting, and rewriting on a large scale. It is based on the ast tool and searches for code by pattern matching via ast nodes rather than text. ast-grep, SG, uses patterns that can be written in a similar way to ordinary code and matches any code with the same syntactical structure. An online playground is available. Chinese scientists have developed a revolutionary 3D printing technique for ceramics that can generate ceramic parts without the need for supportive structures. The new method enables the creation of shapes previously impossible with traditional 3D printing techniques. It can print at almost any angle. The process results in the instant solidification of multi-scale filaments ranging in diameters from 0.41 mm to 3.5 mm, allowing the construction of structures like torsion springs and cantilevers. It can blend ceramics with different properties by using additives. OpenAI is set to launch a new open-source language model. The company is unlikely to release a model to compete with its own GPT. The growth potential of generative AI has caught the attention of investors in Silicon Valley. Microsoft made a multi-billion-dollar investment in OpenAI earlier this year to set the stage for more competition with Google. Amazon recently listed a job vacancy describing how it is reimagining Amazon search with a new interactive conversational experience. The new search will have functionalities such as product comparisons and personalized suggestions. Details of the conversational shopping feature have yet to be officially revealed. The launch date for the chatbot is still unknown, but it will likely be soon. The ocean is an important potential source of renewable energy. The Biden administration's Ocean Climate Action Plan recognizes the potential of offshore wind power and less developed resources like waves, tides, and currents. Even colder waters deep below tropical seas could provide clean marine energy. Offshore wind could generate enough power to make a real dent in carbon emissions. This article discusses several ocean-based renewable energy projects. Engineers on Reddit competed to see who could create the worst UI models. This Twitter thread contains a selection of the best entries. They include an input for a phone number, with a gravity maze, a delete button, the buttons are hidden under cups and moved around, a volume control, where the dial pops off, an unsubscribe button, a fan pushes the mouse pointer away, and a QR code, in puzzle form. This Hacker News thread contains a discussion of GPT-powered tools used by developers. The top reply discusses the usefulness of ChatGPT in general and how to use it effectively. Other replies discuss tools such as Find, a search engine optimized for developers, Raycast, a tool that makes GPT more accessible and user-friendly, and many custom tools that developers built for themselves. The Poe API allows anyone building a chat-based service on top of LLMs to easily reach a large audience around the world without having to build their own user interfaces. Twitter has hired around 30,000 people per year on average over the past 3 years. jscanify is a mobile document scanner implemented in pure JavaScript. This article covers how to use the new per-interpreter global interpreter lock in Python 3.12. This year's Google I/O managed to combine its clear AI capabilities and the products in which to manifest them with the urgency and aggressiveness of a company feeling threatened for the first time in years. The EU's amended AI Act will ban American companies from providing API access to unlicensed generative AI models, with a potential penalty of €20 million or 4% of worldwide revenue.